Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about mugs and cups. Yes, I am obsessed with collecting them. I have two cupboards. The first cupboard, let's count. And the second cupboard. My cups and mugs are all over the kitchen. I will put them all together to describe them. Let's do it. Okay, so they are all behind me. I will start with the ones that have saucers. This is a saucer. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups and mugs with saucers. Let's separate the cups from the mugs. This is a mug, this is a cup. A cup with a saucer and a mug with a saucer. What I did was I separated the cups from the mugs. Okay? Let's describe the cups. These 1, 2, 3 are small and round. They are round. This is square. It's a square cup. And these are uneven. They are uneven. They don't have a shape. Look, this is a cloud shape. This is a flower shape, a flower. And this, I don't know. It's just up and down. What about the colors? What color is this? It's yellow and transparent. Transparent? I can see you from it. And this is pink. Pink and green. My favorite. But this mug, it's a mug, not a cup, is colorful. It's very colorful. I love this mug. I bought it when I traveled to Spain. It's my favorite. Now, my other mugs have lids on them. Let me show you the lid. 1, 2, let's pray I don't break them. And 3. So I have 3 mugs with a lid. This, okay, I don't want to break it. A lid. Another cute koala lid. This is a koala. Oh, the other one is flamingo lid. Flamingo. What about the handle? What's a handle? This is a handle. The handle. I have 2 mugs with weird handles. 2 mugs with weird handles. This is a rabbit and this is the letter E with the word style, because I like to drink my coffee with style. By the way, half of those cups and mugs are gifts from my friends because they know I am obsessed with mugs and cups. You know, obsessed? To love something very much, you have a lot of things from it. You collect it, a collection. Okay, that's it. And tell me in the comments which one you liked the most. And tell me, are you like me? Do you collect cups and mugs? And see you in another video. Goodbye.